Hi, my name is Ashley Hart. I am a customer of Pop on Veneers. This is my teeth prior to getting Pop on Veneers. I have this that I flossed one morning and part of my tooth came off. So I started checking into, veneers and different teeth things that I could do, and it never, would work out or whatever. It was just going to be so expensive. I couldn't afford it. Well, this popped up on my Facebook feed. That's how I heard about them. It popped up on my Facebook feed while I started checking into all kinds of pop-on veneer type things, a bunch of them, and I'm looking at all different ones. And then I ended up going with Pop-On Veneers after seeing their reviews. So they come in this little case. They have a mold. The mold kit, like to make your impressions, was super simple. I was nervous about it. I was stressing about doing it. Don't overstress it. Don't overthink it. It was a very simple process. Besides the drooling, a lot of drooling while I was making the impressions. But other than that, it was great. Okay, so here are my mold, my veneers. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy they are to pop on. So my top, and then the bottom. I look in the mirror. Okay. Oh. Got it. Okay. Sorry, I need to look in the mirror more. My teeth are very crooked on the bottom. But this is my smile. You can't tell. My parents were like amazed. I hadn't shown a lot of people, like, with my front tooth and all that. But my sisters and my parents knew about it and had seen it. And I showed up at Christmas and was like, just smiling. And they were like, oh my gosh, your teeth, what did you do? And so I had to tell them, it was Pop on Veneers. Super simple, easy thing. I absolutely love them. Do it. Definitely do it. And the customer service has been excellent for any questions and concerns. They literally get right back with you. A lot of companies say that and they don't. They really did get right back to me.